This is Aquafaba. Aquafaba is a chickpea juice, garbanzo beans. Reduce it down and it becomes a very starchy liquid. It replicates basically egg whites. So instead of using egg whites, we use Aquafaba.
When we make our hummus, we separate the liquid. We make aquafaba out of it. We mostly use it for the bar, for our new drinks, new cocktails. It's a natural vegan substitute for your egg white in certain drinks. It came mostly from respect to ingredients. Cross-utilize everything and preserve the nature, preserve our planet. The vegan and vegetarian options are coming to a new menu. We also use aquafaba for our new mahi dish. We had this great ingredient, so we decided to give it a life.